Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is SS Account. So students, in this video we are going to learn pro rata allotment of shares, journal entries for excess money. Okay. So the unit 1, that is issue and forfeiture of shares, reissue of forfeited shares, redemption of preference shares and buyback of shares. So students, in my previous videos we have already completed many units, many parts on these units. So this video is basically based on pro rata allotment of shares. So see here, in the case of oversubscription, company have three alternatives. That one is the rejection, second one is the pro rata allotment, and the third one is the rejection and the pro rata allotment, means combination of these two. In my previous videos, we have covered two practical problems, that is issue of shares at par with oversubscription and rejection, and second one is the issue of shares at premium with oversubscription and rejections. We have solved two practical problems on this. So today we are going to solve two practical problems on pro rata, that is issue of shares at par with oversubscription and pro rata allotment, and second practical problem is on issue of shares at premium with oversubscription and pro rata allotment. So students, see here, what do you mean by here pro rata? See here, what will happen? The board of directors, BOD means board of directors of company, decide to allot shares on pro rata basis. Here pro rata basis means proportionate basis. Okay. So see here pro rata allotment means the another name of pro rata allotment is proportional allotment. See here, I have given one example. If one shareholder, suppose think there will be one shareholder and he applied for 2000 shares, but company here allowed him 1000 shares only. Suppose think another shareholders applied for 1500 shares, but company allowed him only 1200 shares. This is we called pro rata allotments. So see here, pro rata or proportionate allotments under oversubscription. Oversubscription means what here? Oversubscription means here number of shares applied or demanded by the public is more than number of shares offered by the company. So in this situation, company has three alternatives. Under the oversubscription, company will get three alternatives, that are, see here one by one. First one is the reject. The excess applications, whatever extra applications will come near to company, the company will reject that excess applications and refund the excess application money to the public. So first alternative is the rejection. The second one is the pro rata basis, means adjust the extra money, whatever extra money will come, that will adjust with the allotment or calls entry. And third one is the combination of these two, that is rejected and pro rata basis. Okay, so in my previous videos we have covered this rejection part. Clear? So this video is based on pro rata basis. So in my previous videos I have told you one extra entry will come, that is equity share application account debit to bank account. Okay, so here under pro rata basis the extra entry will come, that is bank account debit, share application account debit to share allotment account or to share first call final call account. So here this is the combined entry. So we can also take only share application account debit to share allotment account. I have given here combined entry of allotment received combined entry, that is bank account debit, share application account debit to share allotment account. We can also take the single entries like share application account debit to share allotment account. Simple. Okay, so we are going to solve one practical problem on two practical problems on pro rata basis. So let's start it. So here I have taken one practical problem on issue of shares at par with oversubscription under pro rata basis. See here, ABC Company Limited decided to issue 7,500 shares of rupees 100 each at par. Okay, so here company issued 7,500 shares of rupees 100 each, means this is the face value at par. Okay, the amount were payable in 5 installments. The amount were payable in 5 installments. Company receive applications for 10,000 shares. Okay, clear? So here issued 7,500 shares, but company received the application, that is the 10,000 shares. Means this is the case of over subscription. Okay, so the directors of the company decided to make pro rata allotment to all the applicants and adjust the excess application money against allotment money due. Okay, so pass the journal entries for share application and share allotment. So see the explanation of this question. See here, company issued 7,500 shares and applications received for 10,000 shares, means this is the case of oversubscription. Next, the amount payable in 5 equal installments. As given, the face value is 100. See here in the question, the amount were payable in 5 equal installments they have given, and the face value is here 100. Here 5 installments in equal means first installment rupees 20 on application, that is 20, on allotment 20, first call 20, second call 20, and again final call 20. 5 installments, these are the 5 installments company is going to collect, and the face value is here 100. This 100 we have to divide under 5 equal parts, like this I have did here: on application, allotment, first call, second call, and final call. In question they have given, see here, the amount were payable in 5 equal installments. Okay, so we have to divide this face value into 5 equal parts, and that will become 20. Okay, so see here, next excess application money is to be adjusted. So for that we have to do the extra entry, that is combined entry. Again I am telling you here, this is the combined entry, that is bank account debit, share application account debit to share allotment account. See here, this is the entry for rejection and refund, that is equity share application account debit to bank account. We are doing here pro rata basis. So for that the combined entry is bank account debit, share application account debit to share allotment account. So see here, under bank account debit we have to write this amount. First of all, see here, to share allotment account, in that the number of shares issue, how much shares issue the company, multiply with allotment money per share. After that, share application account, in this column we have to write the excess application money, and under bank column we have to write the balance amount, that is amount of share allotment minus excess application money, means balance amount we have to write under bank account. So this is the short explanation of this question. Next, see what are the journal entries. So in the question they have asked for share application and share allotment. So we have to pass the entries for only share application and share allotment. So the first entry, that is applications received entry, is bank account debit to equity share application account. So here company received how much applications? Here company received 10,000 shares, means 10,000 applications here company received, and on applications, that is application money per share is 20. We have did here calculations how we divided this 100 into 5 equal parts, that will become 20. So 10,000 into 20, that will be 2 lakh. So similarly, to equity share application account, the amount will be 2 lakh. Being equity share application received, that is 10,000 multiply with 20 application money per share. So the second entry, that is transferring entry, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Here we have to take how much the company issued. So here company issued 7,500 shares and the application money per share is 20. So 7,500 into 20, that will be 1,50,000. So being share application money transferred to share capital account. So these journal entries are based on applications. So the next one is the allotment, that is equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account, that is transferring entry, and company here issued 7,500 shares, and on allotment money is, that is 20. So multiply these 7,500 into 20, the amount will be 1,50,000, being share allotment money due. So the last entry, that is combined entry, bank account debit, equity share application account debit to equity share allotment account. So first of all, we have to write the amount to equity share allotment account, that is 1,50,000. This whole amount we have to write here, 1,50,000. After that, second amount we have to write equity share application account in this excess application, means the difference between 10,000 minus 7,500, difference will be here 2,500. That is 2,500 into 20, that will be 50,000, and the balance will be transferred here, that is 1 lakh. Bank account debit, under debit column 1 lakh we have to write. So being share allotment money received and the excess application money adjusted. So this is the combined entry of allotment money received and the excess application money adjusted. So this problem is based on, that is issue of shares. See here, issue of shares at par with oversubscription and pro rata allotment. So we have to do one extra entry. I have did here combined entry, that is bank account debit share application account to share allotment account. Okay, so the next problem will be issue of shares at premium with oversubscription and pro rata allotment. Okay students, so see here, XYZ Company Limited decided to issue 20,000 shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 50 per share. Means here this company issue 20,000 shares and this 100 is here face value and premium is here 50. The amount payable in 3 installments, application, allotment and first call, in the ratio of 3:2:1, means we have to do here working note. Premium is to be adjusted at the time of applications, means here they have given specifically the premium adjustment at the time of application. There is over response to the issue and the company received the applications for 40,000 shares, means this is the case of over subscription. The directors decided to make pro rata allotment and adjust the excess application money with allotment and first call money due. Give the journal entries in the book of company for allotment and first call. See your working note in the books of XYZ Company Limited, calculation of amount of each call. We have to calculate the amount of each call because in the question they have given the ratio, that is 3:2:1. So here the total price of share is equal to face value plus premium. This is the formula to find out the price of share, total price of share. So the face value given, that is 100 and the premium is 50. So the total price of share, that is 150, and the ratio has given, that is 3:2:1. See here, the face value is here 100 and the premium is here 50. Okay, and the ratio they have given here 3:2:1. Okay, so on application money we have to calculate like this total price of share, that is 150 into 3 and divided by 6, means total of this 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, like that similarly allotment money, that is 150 into this 2 and divided by 6, that is 50, and first call, that is 150 into this 1 divided by 6, the amount will be here 25. Means here application money per share is 75, allotment money per share is 50 and first call money per share is here 25, and we have to do the calculation like this if they given the ratio. Okay, so in this question, the excess application money is, see here, the company here received 40,000 applications and the company issued here 20,000. Okay, so the difference is here 20,000. This is the excess applications company received, and excess application money is 20,000 multiply with application money per share, that is 75. Means here 15 lakh amount is company received from this excess application. Excess applications are here 20,000 and excess up money received from application, that is the 15 lakh. So this is the short explanation of this question. So in this question, we are going to do the journal entries for allotment and first call only. So let's see it. See here, journal entries. The first one is the allotment due entry, that is equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. The amount will be here. See here, company issued 20,000 shares. We have to take this amount, issuing amount, that is 20,000, and on allotment is 50. Means the amount will become here 10 lakh in both column, that is in debit and credit column, being allotment money due. Second will be excess application money adjusted entry, that is I am taking here single entry. See here, equity share application account debit to equity share allotment account. So here excess money is here 20,000. Okay, and on allotment it is the 50. Allotment money per share is 50 and excess applications are 20. So 20,000 multiply with 50, the amount will be here 10 lakh. So being excess application money adjusted. Similarly, under first call, equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account, being first call money due. Means here we have to take 20,000 shares, multiply with first call money per share, that is 25. The amount will become here 5 lakh. Okay, so next, the excess application money adjusted entry is equity share application account debit to equity share first call account. Okay, so here we have to take the excess applications, that is 20,000, multiply with this 20,000 with first call money per share, that is 25. The amount will become here 5 lakh. So being excess application money adjusted. So like this we have to do the single entries of excess application. So this is about the allotment, that is allotment due entry, and this is the excess application money adjusted new entry. This is about the first call due entry, and this is the excess application money adjusted entry. Like this we have to solve the journal entries. So this is the problem based on issue of shares at premium with oversubscription and pro rata basis. Okay. So students, my next video will be issue of shares at par with oversubscription, rejections and pro rata. Means all three entries will come here like that. Similarly, the issue of shares at premium with oversubscription, rejection and pro rata allotment. Okay. So thank you very much. If you have any query, any doubts, please ask me in my comment box. Subscribe my YouTube channel to get latest updates and also click on a bell icon, like, share and also comments. Thank you very much.